Eating just 1 cup of blueberries a day can trigger a remarkable chain reaction in your body, and the benefits start showing up faster than you think. From sharper memory on day 1, to better blood pressure by day 2, improved blood sugar control by day 3, and even stronger immunity by day 5. By day 7, your cells are already shifting into repair mode, activating signals linked to healthy aging and longevity. Imagine starting your day with a handful of tiny blue gems that have the power to transform your health from the inside out. We're talking about blueberries, often called nature's brain berries, and for good reason. These little fruits may look simple, but inside they carry some of the most powerful compounds known to science for protecting your brain, your heart, your blood sugar, your immune system, and even your eyesight. Hi, this is Marcus from Human Body Wellness, where we are dedicated to providing you with informative and educational content on healthy foods, drinks, and eating habits. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss another natural health discovery. To get the full power of blueberries, you need to know the right way to choose, prepare, and enjoy them. And there are also a few safety notes most people overlook. So, stay with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to unlock their maximum potential. And before we dive in, drop a comment below telling us where you're watching from, and type, "I love blueberry," if you're excited to begin this 7-day journey to better health. Day 1. Brain boost and BDNF activation. On the very first day of eating blueberries, something amazing happens inside your brain. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a special type of antioxidant that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. That means they don't just float around in your bloodstream, they move directly into your brain cells, where they start protecting and energizing your neurons. Once there, they help boost a protein called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. You can think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain. It helps brain cells grow stronger, form new connections, and repair old ones that may have been damaged by stress, aging, or toxins. Imagine it this way. It's like giving your memory and focus a quick tune-up. Some people notice sharper recall, quicker thinking, or even a general feeling of mental brightness just hours after their first blueberry-rich meal. So by day 1, your brain is already thanking you. But as we move into day 2, the effects spread to one of the most important systems in your body, your heart and blood vessels. Day 2. Blood pressure and vessel function. By the second day, blueberries begin improving your circulation. The anthocyanins act on your blood vessels, helping them relax and open up. Scientists call this improved endothelial function, but you'll feel it as lighter circulation and sometimes even a sense of calm. This is why blueberries are linked to healthier blood pressure. Within just a short time, your arteries become more flexible, and your heart doesn't have to work as hard to push blood through your body. Picture this. If your blood vessels were garden hoses, blueberries act like a gentle conditioner, keeping them smooth and pliable instead of stiff and brittle. That means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your brain, muscles, and every organ in your body. And that's just day 2. On day 3, something life-changing happens for anyone concerned about energy or blood sugar balance. Day 3, blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. By the 3rd day, your body begins to handle sugar in a far more efficient way. Blueberries improve insulin sensitivity, which means your cells listen more carefully when insulin knocks on the door with glucose. This allows sugar to leave your bloodstream more quickly and enter your cells, where it can be used as clean energy. The result is fewer sugar spikes, steadier energy throughout the day, and a much lower chance of that mid-afternoon crash that leaves you tired or craving sweets. For anyone managing prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this is a major advantage. Studies have shown that just a few days of regular blueberry intake can start improving glucose control. And even if you're not diabetic, this means your energy and mood stay more balanced. So, within 3 days, your brain is sharper, your circulation smoother, and your blood sugar steadier. But that's only the beginning, because by day 4, blueberries start tackling something most of us over 50 struggle with: inflammation. Day 4, inflammation calms down. By day 4, blueberries begin working deeply on inflammation. Chronic inflammation is something many of us live with quietly, often without realizing it. It shows up as stiff joints in the morning, lingering backaches, or that overall feeling of heaviness in the body. Blueberries contain compounds that act like little firefighters inside your body, calming down those hidden flames of inflammation. They neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage tissues and speed up aging. Imagine tiny repair crews moving through your bloodstream, patching up the little cracks and calming the irritation that has been building for years. That's what the antioxidants in blueberries are doing by day 4. And here's the exciting part. When inflammation cools down, every system in your body works better. Your heart pumps more smoothly, your brain thinks more clearly, and your joints begin to feel more flexible. But that's just the halfway point. By day 5, something even more protective happens. Your immune system begins to stand taller. Day 5, immunity gets stronger. On the 5th day, blueberries turn their attention to your immune system. We often think of immunity only when flu season rolls around, but in reality, your immune system is fighting for you every single day. The natural compounds in blueberries, especially anthocyanins and vitamin C, help your white blood cells become more active and effective. These are your body's soldiers, constantly scanning for bacteria, viruses, and even abnormal cells. Think of it as giving your defense army better armor and sharper tools. Within days, studies show that blueberries can help your immune cells respond faster to threats. That means fewer seasonal sniffles, quicker recovery if you do catch something, and a stronger shield overall. And just when your defenses are getting stronger, another sensitive part of your body begins to feel the benefits. By day 6, your vision starts receiving extra protection. Day 6, vision and eye protection. Your eyes are exposed to constant stress from sunlight, screens, and aging. By day 6, the anthocyanins and other antioxidants in blueberries begin protecting the delicate tissues of your retina. This means less oxidative damage to the very cells that let you see clearly. Some studies even suggest that blueberries support better night vision and may slow the development of age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration. Picture your eyes like a camera. Blueberries act like a protective lens filter, shielding them from glare and wear. Over time, this support can make a big difference in how long your vision stays sharp. And as if brain health, heart health, immunity, and vision weren't enough, by day 7, blueberries reach all the way down to your cells, where aging itself begins. Day 7, cellular repair and longevity signals. By the 7th day, blueberries activate something truly remarkable: your body's own cellular repair systems. They stimulate pathways linked to longevity, like the ones scientists call sirtuins. These signals encourage your cells to clean up waste, repair damage, and function in a more youthful way. Imagine your body as a house that's been slowly collecting dust and clutter for years. Blueberries are like opening the windows, letting in fresh air, and sending in a cleaning crew to tidy everything up. This cellular repair doesn't just make you feel better in the short term, it lays the foundation for long-term health, slower aging, better resilience, and stronger vitality. So by the end of just 1 week, these little berries have supported your brain, your circulation, your blood sugar, your joints, your immunity, your eyes, and even the very core of your cells. And it all comes from something as simple, delicious, and natural as 1 cup of blueberries a day. How to use blueberries for maximum impact. Now that you've seen what blueberries can do in just 7 days, the next step is knowing how to use them correctly so you unlock their full potential. The magic number is about 1 cup per day. That's roughly a small bowl or a generous handful. The key is consistency. Having them every day gives your body a steady supply of antioxidants and nutrients. Think of it like fueling your car. You don't fill up once and expect to drive for months. Your body needs that daily boost. Both fresh and frozen blueberries work beautifully. Frozen berries are often picked at peak ripeness and locked in with all their nutrients. They're a great choice when fresh berries are out of season. Just make sure you're choosing plain frozen blueberries without added sugar. Preparation is simple. Blueberries are at their most powerful in their natural state. Enjoy them raw, sprinkled over oatmeal, blended into a smoothie, or paired with yogurt. If you like baking with blueberries, keep in mind that high heat can reduce some of their antioxidant power. A better option is adding them fresh after cooking, like topping pancakes or oatmeal right before serving. Here's a helpful tip. Pair blueberries with a small amount of healthy fat. A few walnuts, chia seeds, or even a spoonful of yogurt can help your body absorb the antioxidants more effectively. It's a small adjustment that makes a big difference. And most importantly, build a routine. Whether you enjoy them at breakfast, as an afternoon snack, or as a sweet finish to dinner, make blueberries a part of your daily rhythm. Safety notes and precautions. Blueberries are one of the safest and most beneficial foods you can eat. But like any powerful natural remedy, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, while blueberries are naturally lower in sugar compared to many fruits, they do contain natural sugars. If you're managing blood sugar or taking medication for diabetes, monitor how your body responds. The good news is that blueberries tend to improve insulin sensitivity, but it's always wise to keep an eye on your levels. Second, blueberries are rich in fiber. That's usually a wonderful benefit for digestion, but if you suddenly start eating very large amounts, you may notice some bloating or discomfort. Stick with about 1 cup per day and let your body adjust. Third, remember that whole blueberries are best. Juices, jams, or blueberry-flavored snacks usually contain added sugars and lack the fiber and nutrients of the real fruit. Always choose fresh or frozen whole berries for maximum impact. Fourth, if you take blood-thinning medications, be aware that blueberries contain small amounts of vitamin K, which plays a role in clotting. For most people, a cup a day is perfectly safe. The key is consistency. Don't suddenly jump from no blueberries to several cups a day without letting your healthcare provider know. Finally, be mindful of quality. Wash your berries well, especially if they're not organic, to reduce pesticide exposure. Store them properly in the fridge or freezer to preserve freshness and potency. When enjoyed mindfully, blueberries are safe, effective, and one of the most powerful foods you can add to your diet. So there you have it, the incredible 7-day journey your body takes when you eat just 1 cup of blueberries a day. From sharper brain function to healthier blood pressure, steadier blood sugar, stronger immunity, better vision, and even cellular repair. All from one of nature's simplest and most delicious gifts. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling us where you're watching from. And if you're excited to try this, type the words, "I love blueberry" in the comments. Let's see how far this message of natural health can reach around the world. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with family and friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel so you never miss another life-changing health discovery. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to your health, your energy, and your longevity, one blueberry at a time.